In this video, I'm going to show you how do you buy eSIM on trip.com. So firstly, go to trip.com, and if you have an account, you can log into your account. And once I've logged into your account here, so what we're going to do, you have a search bar here on your top there. In the search bar, simply type in eSIM plans. Okay, so just type in eSIM plans and search for it. So type in that and then search for it. And here you will see all the ones that are available for you to purchase, all the eSIM plans available for you to purchase. You can hit on show more to view more, and from here you can choose where do you want to, like, depending on the destination, which plan you want to purchase. So for example, Vietnam, I'll just choose this one, Vietnam one. So I'll just select that, and here you can view the details of it. So if you want to know how it works, you can see the details, and then here you have the package, so the package and price. So select for how long you want to use this, so you can select the days, for example like 7 days. You can select that, and then from here you select the content, which type of package you want. So like for example, for 7 days you want what's the data and all those. There are different packages available. You just choose the one that best suits you. Okay, so do that. So once you have done that, select the packages and everything, and then now what you're going to do is click on this book now option. Click on the book now option, and this will take you to the next page here. So what we're going to do here is simply enter your contact details. Okay, plug in your contact details and everything, and if you have any discounts or promos, it will be applied here. That's fine. So scroll all the way down, go to pay, and this will take you to the payment page here. And here you'll get to the payment page. All you have to do now is simply plug in your payment details. So if you are purchasing by card, plug in your card details, or any other payment options that you want to choose. Simply choose one and then just complete the payment. So once you're done filling in your payment details, all you have to do is hit on confirm and pay, and that's it. You're all done with the purchase.